packing, never slacking, bitch, killer, killer. Pistol packing, never slacking, bitch, packing, killer.
28 shit.
Never slacking, bitch, killer, killer. Pistol packing, never slacking, bitch, smacking, killer.
Two things I never seen a nigga named Bigfoot and a hoe I need. Keep the back door closed, gotta lock it, throw away the key. We can be a state away, you turn if I ain't got my ski. 2023, we got 15 switches on them beats. Straight hit, don't ask, we take shit. Like a blunt, we face shit. Nigga late shit, keep your shoes tight. Know some niggas trip, they come run right. You throw sticks and we throw bullets out the stick. You a bitch, I'm a real nigga. He a mama boy, jumped out the porch. Know a nigga had to babysit him on God. Not wait off a nigga like a BBL. Slide all day like a CDL. Heart skip a beat like a CD player. Fuck a classy bitch, I want a ratchet bitch. Give me a city girl. I'm capping for Tell Dre, Michelle, of the young nigga rock up world. Come on, wrist glisten, chain kissing, like my manners tripping. Memphis nigga, talk with a slur. She say my grandma different. Police come get me, my name Benny, nigga. I wasn't in it. Fuck the judge, nigga. I'm illiterate. I be dodging sentences. Pistol packing, never lacking. Run up, get your issue. Guns clapping, pussy grabbing, Donald Trump militia. Pants sagging, mama nagging, like who raided nigga. My bitch like a backwood,
Ay.
your hoe like a Swiss.
Bitch, I'm a pistol packing, yeah, what's cracking? Play, but he go missing. Fully auto ARP, equipped the scope so I don't miss it. Ask the city about me, nigga, they gon' tell you I've been spinning. On the street, who got more killers? Know them pussies ain't the feeling. Anyway, I just made 50K, spent 30 on my dentist, other 20 on my image, like 3K walk for my kidney. I was just broke in the bitch, now I have combos about business. Real estate and gaining interest, doubled up, ain't need a witness. Think I'm a hoe, come and show me. Been ballin' to numbers, no killers, that's Hoovers and Rollers. With this shop, I shoot like I'm Kobe, so if you don't know me, it's best to walk light if you trolling. 600 in my hood, I control it, and if you ain't know it, just come to my block and I show it. No snakes in my grass, cause I'm more. Hell nah, I ain't going. You kick that back door and I'm blowing. Ayy, who you know really have it? This pistol on me, so I'm saying my mama don't like it, I told her it's fashion. Niggas fake, so it's best that I have it. Talk the last bitch I hit, she was average. But my new bitch, I swear she the baddest. You know that you know I'm from Dallas, so I'm with the Mavericks, so nigga, you know we.
Pistol packing, never lacking. Run up, get your issue. Guns clapping, pussy grabbing, Donald Trump militia. Pants sagging, mama nagging, like who raided nigga. My bitch like a backwood, your hoe like a Swiss.
Get this loser out the camera. #1 top shot in Connecticut. No.
Hot shit.
He missed.
You think you hot shit?